Are these the merino wool bales?
Yes, put them in section 4, next to the silk.
The moisture levels are optimal on this batch.
Good, let's proceed to the baling stage.
What is carding? The process of converting fibers into a straight and thin web is called carding.
What is the main purpose of carding? Fibers को clean, separate और parallel बनाना.
What is the output of the carding process? A thin fiber web, which is further converted into sliver.
Combing क्या है? The process of making smooth and fine yarn by removing extra short fibers is called combing.
What is the main function of combing? To make the fibers more parallel by removing short fibers and impurities.
What is the result of combing? Smooth, strong, and premium quality yarn, which is used for luxury fabrics.
What is drawing? The process of stretching fibers to give them uniform thickness is called drawing.
What is spinning? The process of twisting fibers to make yarn is called spinning.
What is the final output of spinning? Strong yarn that is used to make fabric.
What is yarn winding? The process of wrapping yarn onto cones or spools is called yarn winding.
What is the purpose of yarn winding? To prepare the yarn for storage and further processes. What is the result of yarn winding? Properly wound yarn cones or spools which are used for weaving or knitting.
What is loom preparation? It is the process of getting the warp and weft yarns ready for the loom machine.
What is the main purpose of loom preparation?
To give the yarn proper tension, alignment, and strength. What is the result of loom preparation? Ready warp and weft yarns are used for the weaving process. What is weaving? Warp and weft yarns are interlaced to make fabrics like cotton and silk.
Knitting क्या है? The process of making t-shirts and stretch fabrics by forming loops of yarn is called knitting.
What is the difference between weaving and knitting? Non-stretch fabrics are made from weaving, while stretchable fabrics are made from knitting.
Grey fabric inspection क्या है? The process of checking defects in cloth without color is called grey fabric inspection. Weaving फावड़ा knitting के बाद defects जैसे holes, stains या uneven yarn detect करना.
What is the result of grey fabric inspection? defect-free gray fabric that is ready for dyeing and finishing.
What is pre-treatment? The process of washing, bleaching, and softening fabric is called pre-treatment.
What is the main purpose of pre-treatment? To remove impurities and prepare the fabric for dyeing/printing.
What is the result of pre-treatment? Clean, soft, and absorbent fabric, which takes color well. What is the result of printing? Patterned and designed fabric that is ready for final finishing.
What is printing? The process of printing designs, patterns, and logos on fabric is called printing.
What is the main purpose of printing, Ka? To make the fabric decorative and attractive.
What is quality dyeing? The process of dyeing fabric in high quality and luxury colors is called quality dyeing.
क्वालिटी डाइंग का मेन पर्पस क्या होता है? फैब्रिक को रिच कलर, कलर फास्टनेस और प्रीमियम लुक देना.
What is the result of quality dyeing? Even, long-lasting and luxury-colored fabric that is ready for finishing.
Rinsing and washing क्या है? फैब्रिक से एक्स्ट्रा कलर और केमिकल्स रिमूव करने की प्रोसेस को रिंसिंग एंड वॉशिंग कहते हैं.
What is the main purpose of rinsing and washing? To improve color fastness and make the fabric safe and clean.
What is the result of rinsing and washing?
Clean, soft, and excess chemicals-free fabric, which is ready for finishing.
Setting and drying processes are performed to lock the shape and size of the fabric.
What is the main purpose of setting and drying? To control shrinkage and give the fabric dimensional stability.
What is the result of setting and drying? Stable, properly shaped fabric that is ready for finishing and packing.
The process of giving softness, shine, wrinkle-free, and water-resistant properties to fabric is called finishing.
What is the main purpose of finishing? Fabric के look, feel और performance को improve करना.
What is the final result of finishing? High quality, comfortable, and ready-to-use fabric that is suitable for the market.
What is final inspection? The process of conducting a 100% quality check of fabric on a light table is called final inspection.
What is the main purpose of the final inspection? To detect remaining defects and approve only the best quality fabric. Fully checked and approved fabric that is ready for packing and dispatch.
Measuring क्या है? फैब्रिक को मीटर या यार्ड में नापने की प्रोसेस को measuring कहते हैं.
What is the main purpose of measuring? Ensuring accurate length and avoiding errors in billing/packing. What is the result of measuring, Ka? Properly measured fabric, which is ready for packing and sale.
What is cutting? The process of cutting fabric into required shapes and sizes for a garment factory is called cutting.
What is the main purpose of cutting?
To prepare the fabric according to the garment patterns.
What is advanced check? The advanced inspection process for detecting hidden defects in fabric is called X-ray check.
What is the main purpose of this check?
To identify internal defects not visible to the naked eye.
What is the result of the X-ray/advanced check? Premium, defect-free luxury fabric that is ready for export or the high-end market. What is the result of the X-ray/advanced check? Premium, defect-free luxury fabric that is ready for export or the high-end market.
What is yarn and fabric labeling? The process of applying the brand name, logo, and batch number to yarn and fabric is called labeling.
What is the main purpose of labeling? Ensuring product identification, traceability, and branding.
Properly labeled yarn and fabric, which is ready for packing, sale, and export.
The process of packing fabric rolls in secure packing and sending them to the warehouse and customers is called zipped packing and dispatch.
What is the main purpose of this process?
To protect the fabric from damage, dust, and moisture, and to ensure safe delivery.
Zipped packing and dispatch का final result क्या होता है? Securely packed fabric rolls जो warehouse से customers तक safely deliver होते हैं.